Rainy days don't have to be boring. Let's get curious and have some fun. Rain happens when tiny drops of water in the clouds get too heavy and fall to the ground. It's like the sky's way of cleaning up and giving plants a drink. But when you're stuck inside, don't let the storm get you down. Try building a pillow fort, having a movie marathon, or challenging your friends to a game night. Get creative, learn a new recipe, paint, or even start a DIY science experiment. And hey, if you love the sound of rain, make a playlist and just chill. So next time the weather turns gloomy, remember, rainy days are perfect for science and a little indoor adventure. What's your favorite thing to do when it pours?